Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can sell share or ETF or whatever in Trading212. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in trading, you just want to like click on whatever. Let's say I got my ETF here, and you're gonna see it here, the sell button. Click on it, and now you have options to just like, I don't know, sell one or like limit. Set the minimum price you're willing to get per share, or just have like the stop limit. Pretty simple, and that's pretty much it. So like this, like I don't know, like this, review order, and I'm going to order type market sell, number of units 0.9, value 65 euro and free. I'm not going to actually sell it, but this is how you do it. You just sell, and yeah. So have a great day everybody, and goodbye.